Food plays an important role throughout the world. It is around the table that people socialize, linger, and fill their bellies and their souls. Cultures identify themselves by the food they eat, the way they prepare their food, and the significance of certain foods. Traditional cuisine is passed down from one generation to the next. It also operates as an expression of cultural identity. Immigrants bring the food of their countries with them wherever they go, and cooking traditional food is a way of preserving their culture when they move to new places. Let's see what types of food the staff at Altitude has been cooking up.
Hi Moose Nation, this is Miss Dervish. I'm making yakisoba for dinner, which is from Japan, and my daughter's grandmother is Japanese.
Hey Global Citizens, your challenge this week is to get cooking. You can make something that's a family recipe from a country you're from, or you can choose any country in the world. If you're not the cooking type, try to find foods from another country and try those. Send your pictures to me. If the recipe is really good and you think my family would like it, send that too and we'll try to make it as well. Have a great week. We miss you. Bye.